Do you want to improve your English while enjoying a real-life story? Watch Sarah's school day and pick up real phrases you can use every day. Let's begin. Last night, Sarah packed her school bag. Last night, Sarah packed her school bag.
Mom, did you put your math book inside? Did you put your math book inside? Sarah, yes, Mom. I don't want to forget it. I have a test tomorrow. Yes, Mom. I don't want to forget it. I have a test tomorrow. Dad, good. And don't stay up too late. Good. And don't stay up too late. Sarah, don't worry. I'll sleep at 10. Don't worry. I'll sleep at 10. In the morning, the alarm rang at 6:30. In the morning, the alarm rang at 6:30. Mom, wake up, Sarah. Time for school. Wake up, Sarah. Time for school.
Sarah, 5 more minutes, please. 5 more minutes, please. Mom, no way, you'll miss the bus. No way, you'll miss the bus. Sarah jumped out of bed, brushed her teeth, and got dressed quickly. Sarah jumped out of bed, brushed her teeth, and got dressed quickly. At breakfast, Dad, eat well, you need energy. Eat well, you need energy. Sarah, thanks, Dad. The toast is delicious. Thanks, Dad. The toast is delicious. At 7:30, Sarah left home. At 7:30, Sarah left home. Mom, have a great day. Have a great day. Sarah, bye, Mom. Bye, Mom. At school, friend, hi, Sarah. Ready for the math test? Hi, Sarah. Ready for the math test? Sarah, a little nervous, but I studied last night. A little nervous, but I studied last night. In English class. Teacher, let's read a short story together. Let's read a short story together. Sarah, great! I love reading stories. Great! I love reading stories. During the break, friend, what will you do this weekend? What will you do this weekend? Sarah, maybe go shopping. And you? Maybe go shopping. And you? Friend, I'll visit my grandparents. I'll visit my grandparents. After school, at 3 o'clock, Sarah came home. After school, at 3 o'clock, Sarah came home. Mom, how was your day? How was your day? Sarah, it was good. I think I did well on the test. It was good. I think I did well on the test. In the evening, Dad, are you doing your homework now? Are you doing your homework now? Sarah, yes, but later I'll watch an English movie to practice. Yes, but later I'll watch an English movie to practice. Before bedtime, Mom, pack your bag again for tomorrow. Pack your bag again for tomorrow. Sarah. Already done. Good night. Already done. Good night. Dad. Sleep well, champ. Sleep well, champ. At 10, Sarah whispered, "Good night," and turned off the light. At 10, Sarah whispered, "Good night," and turned off the light. Did you enjoy Sarah's school day? Now it's your turn. Use these phrases in your daily life and see how fast your English improves. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun stories and lessons.